back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to earn $16 per hour on Kick. So, this new streaming platform is better than Twitch and you can make a monthly salary without having followers on Kick. Kick is a live streaming platform that allows you to broadcast videos to your viewers in real time. It's currently in the beta stage, but it has got 6 million users in less than 1 month, which seems to be the next big Twitch competitor. But what makes Kick so attractive than Twitch? Well, Kick offers a 95.5 revenue split compared to Twitch 50-50, and you keep 100's revenue for donations. So that's amazing. Kick also offers same day payouts to streamers without having to wait until the end of the month to collect their earnings. Kick also gives streamers the option to become affiliate faster than Twitch. To become an affiliate on Kick, you need to fulfill the following requirements. You should reach 75 followers and stream for a total of 5 hours. So, as you can see, it's easy than Twitch to start. Monetizing your channel, but what about the $16 per hour that they promise to pay all the new streamers? The truth is that Kick has not implemented this feature yet, but you can start making money with subscription for now. You just need to wait for Kick to grow as a platform and start implementing this feature soon with the many advantages. The app offers Kick is growing at an exceptionally fast rate, which the app's competitor only dominated because there was no better alternative. Kick will continue to grow until it reaches the level of direct competition with Twitch, and only one will win the game, Kick's launching and promotion strategy. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like our channel. Thanks!